Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
The Polo Life 1.0 TSI 95PS comes in the stylish smoky grey finish and it looks remarkable. This is a metallic colour and the car has just one previous owner, which is ourselves, as the car is being used as a demonstrator, so mileage is due to change. You have these 15-inch Essex alloy wheels which do complement the exterior finish well, offering a stylish look to the vehicle. Power folding mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, great for places like shopping centres, and there's some space in the back there for some weekly shopping. You have additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, alongside USB-C inputs in the back there for fast charging. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the digital dashboard, we'll touch on this soon. In Panoramic you can see we have a clean and well-maintained interior, and also the upgraded Panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light, alongside a skyline view, perfect for all travelling occasions. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use, and on the dashboard display you can actually show key information like your driving data and your audio and telephone. To the left hand side you have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout your everyday travels. Over to the entertainment screen. As we make our way into navigation, here you can see we are prompted to purchase this at additional cost. Where we're going to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in our App Connect functionality, we can actually connect our phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications including Google Maps and Waze navigation, so you can drive with confidence on every travel. The car also incorporates upgraded front parking sensors as well, alongside the rear parking sensors. This does ensure confidence and safety on every manoeuvre, ensuring that it minimises the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. You can access this by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse. Lastly, going into telephone, you can also make calls directly through the car via Bluetooth. Alternatively, you can actually use App Connect to access this function, but it's nice to know it's got its own native area. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.